Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Xfinity remote voice control. So first I'm going to show you how to pair this, with your voice remote with your Xfinity TV box, and then how we can actually program this. It's really easy and simple. So first, what you want to do is you want to aim your remote at the TV box. So you need to be in a complete, clear line of sight, nothing blocking the way. Then you want to press the A button on your remote. And then you want to choose remote setup on your TV. And you're going to be asked this question. Do you want to use your remote control to control your TV power and volume? What you need to do is select yes. And then you'll receive a notification that your remote is now paired for voice control. And then you'll be asked, would you like to control your TV using your remote? Select yes again, basically. Then you have to type in the brand of your TV using the on-screen letters and numbers. And then what you need to do is select OK once you've done that. And you should see a notification that your remote is now ready to pair. Just go ahead and select OK. And then you want to confirm that your pairing was actually successful by attempting to adjust the volume on your TV. So if you can actually adjust the volume with the remote, you want to select it works. And if you can't adjust the volume with the remote, you want to select it doesn't work and repeat the process again until it does. And once your remote is paired, you want to follow the on-screen instruction guide, set up power, volume, and input control for your TV and audio equipment. And if you want to program your voice remote to control your TV or audio device, just go ahead and press and hold the microphone, which is the voice button, and say program remote. And that will start programming your remote to control your TV or audio device. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.